So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab, that is pivot table in Google Sheets. So simply click on start lab and just right click over here and open the Google Sheets incognito window. Now here if it asks for user detail, you can refer to the lab instruction. In my case it is getting logged in automatically. Now just wait. Click on a blank spreadsheet. Come to task number 1. From here, copy this name carefully. Remove this unwanted pop-up. Update the name over here and just click on anywhere else. Now click on this file, import, and from here click on upload. Now here in the description box I've shared this GitHub repository. Okay. So from here just click on this button to download the file. It will be downloaded to your local system. And once it is downloaded, you can either browse and select the file, or you can simply drag and drop from here. Once you have dragged, click on this replace spreadsheet and import data. Now just come over here to the lab instruction and simply check the score for each and every task. You can see we have completed the lab, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. For other labs, just check the playlist.